Hello everybody, my name is Julio Cesar Valencia Trujillo. I am 20 years old. I am a student. I am from Florencia, Caquetá. I live in Los Alpes neighborhood with my mother and my grandmother. I am a student second semester in security and health at work. I am tall and a thin man. I have short black hair. I use glasses. I have some tattoos. I don't have beard. Well, I have many hobbies. I like to watch anime, playing soccer, walking in the park, doing exercise, and riding bicycle. But I do not like to go outside at night and going to the river. I have beautiful family. My mother is Arelis Trujillo. She is 42 years old. She is independent. She is from Huila. She is very nice and charismatic. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has long black hair. My grandmother is Florangela Burgos. She is 69 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Huila. She is very nice and cheerful. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has gray hair. I'm, I am really happy because I have the best family. Uh, Thank you very much.